Lao people across the country flocked to their nearest temples yesterday morning or traveled further afield to join relatives in their hometowns to present offerings to monks and Magdalena Buddhist land, locally known as Bunok Pansa.
In the early morning, most of the temples were packed with devotees, with both the young and old arriving in traditional dress to give alms and baskets of offerings. Some parents brought their youngsters along to share in the Buddhist ritual so they could learn about living in peace. This annual festival serves as a reminder to farmers that the rainy season is over for another year, so they can begin harvesting and preparing their soil for the next planting season. According to tradition, during Lent, monks are not allowed to travel so they don't accidentally step on insects or damage villagers' rice paddy walls, and the end of the Buddhist Lent allows monks to leave their temples overnight to visit relatives after 3 months of immersing themselves in Buddhist teachings. Other highlights of the day included the selection round for the sports boat racing event and women's traditional boat racing events, while the modified boat racing events and men's and women's traditional boat racing events will take place today. This year, there are 27 men's team, 12 rowers from Vientiane who will fight it out in the sports racing events after distances from 400 to 500 meters, and 5 women's team and 13 men's team, 45 to 55 rowers, competing in the traditional boat racing event over distances ranging from 800 to 1,000 meters. On the evening of the festival in Vientiane, candlelit processions were held around temples, while the Lai Hua Phai ritual took place to pay homage to the river. The Mekong River lit up as people set adrift their Hua Phai boats made of banana leaves, decorated with flowers and carrying candles to glow in the evening darkness down the Mekong River. Apart from those ritual activities, many people also took part in watch of another extraordinary natural phenomenon called Bang Phai Payanak, or Naga fireballs, which occurs on a section of the Mekong stretching over 20 kilometers from Pak Ngum district, about 80 kilometers south of Vientiane, and Phon Pisai district in Nong Khai province, Thailand, on the other side of the river. Apart from the Vientiane Boat Racing Festival, there are also similar celebrations in Phong Sali, Sayat Buri, Savannakhet, and Champasak provinces, which include many traditional activities such as beauty contests, fireworks shows, and lantern processions.